Oh, Irma. 1, 2, 3, pick one. This is gonna be your size 5 OG. Tanya, I know. It's been a really good party. There we go. OG, size 5. You also got an OG size 6, Irma. And you got yourself an OG size 7. Here we go, girly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pick one. This is your OG size 6. If this goes international, I would love to be a fizzer. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, girl, you go get it. It's been amazing, Nan. It's been freaking phenomenal. Number 4, Irma says. That's your size 6. All right, and then you got your OG size 7, Irma. OG size 7, coming on up. Irma, 1 through 7. 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick one. And that's gonna be your 3-pack perk. We got Shannon on deck. Number 7. There we go. Size 7, OG. Thank you, Irma. How's it going, by the way? You doing good? You hanging in there? You staying cool? Oh my gosh, Amanda, hell yeah, girl. That one's come out in bulk, it felt like yesterday, or the day before yesterday. It was like 3 back-to-back almost. It was insane, absolutely insane. She's doing good. Thank you so much, Irma. 5, 6, and 7 for you, okay? All right, Irma, you're gonna go on over to Revealed. You're going in for my 3-pack perk. So you're in for that October bundle earring, ring, and necklace. Irma, you're gonna get 1, 2, and 3 entries, Irma, into Gem Society. And then Irma, you're gonna go ahead and get 3 on your loyalty. So Irma, you have 12 and now you got 15. You have enough to get another OG, or you can keep it rolling to 20 or 25 points for a birthday or a Lux. Do you want to continue rolling them, or do you want to redeem today? The snake ring is everything. Gee, it is so good. It's got the little cute CZs on one of the ways that the snake twists, and it catches your eye in just the right moment. Okay, we're gonna keep it rolling. Irma, you got 15 on your loyalty, okay? All right, you guys, diamonds and unis in the chat. Size 5, 6, and 7 OGs going in. Tia, what you doing, Tia? What is Tia doing? Tia, what you doing, girlfriend? Oh, I think she might. Candace, it fell and it broke, so I'll have to get it figured out. I think Tia's phone is freaking out right now. Tia, if you can hear me, go check your go check your updates on your TikTok updates on your phone. There was one earlier. She said her cheesecake is so good. Oh my God, Tia. Are those comments coming in for anybody else super lagged? I know, Erin. She's one of my really, really good friends. She's still in the game. I know, it's weird. But I was thinking to myself, like, what's Tia doing? She's lagged. Oh, so funny. I'm gonna give her a hard time the next time I see her. Unless she can hear me right now. And then I'm giving you a hard time. All right, here we go. Size 5 OG, Irma. We've got size 6 OG. She's one of my besties too, Alicia. Size 7 OG. Carol, thank you for all the corn. Thank you. Yeah, I will be performing surgery on that kitty cat. Yeah, I will be. I'll have to. Maybe I'll get another one. We'll see. I think it was like $4, $6 from the lady who made it for me. A twofer in your 7, dainty Irma. Stop it. Your 7 is darling, girl, and it's a twofer. She will comment like, "Why is Madison yelling at me in about 5 minutes?" She's probably at work. All right, you got a bog on your size 5, Irma. That is black onyx on gold, girlfriend. All right, no dupes. No dupes, girl, no dupes. Shannon, you are on deck, Shannon. Shannon, you are on deck, girl. What is she? Ooh, I've never seen this. Here we go, size 6. There we go, Shannon, I see you. Shimmering Nebula. Dark Amethyst Ice Crystal, Rhodium Plating, 122. Dark Amethyst Ice Crystal, I've never heard of that before. Isn't that pretty, Mimi? Isn't that cute? I have not seen that style. That's your size 6. She says beautiful and she loves it. What's up, Chelsea? I see you, Chelsea girl. All right, here goes your size 5. Size 5, OG. A Journey of Sparkle. Black Onyx, Gold Plating, 148. I do enjoy that a lot. Aw, Paige said I can't sleep. It kind of reminds me of that one, my Sterling. I love that, Idma. She loves it. Let's go. Okay, you gotta see your 7. You gotta see this. What the hell? It's so pretty. It's been you forever, Idma. It's been you forever, girl. Lemon CZ Rose Gold 148, and this is a twofer. So you have lemon CZs on the top and the bottom. And again, 2 bands. Me too, Tessa, me too. Isn't that pretty? Idma, what do you think? Oh my God, I love it. You better. That's so beautiful. I love that too. Idma, you did good. Yep, you did good, girly. That's gonna go out on Saturday, okay? Saturday morning is the next time that I do my shipping, okay, Idma girl? And then that means that you'll probably get it like on Tuesday, is my guess.